In the world of finance, the power of investing is often likened to a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. It's a realm where patience meets opportunity, where the humblest of beginnings can lead to the grandest of outcomes. Our story begins with an unassuming man named Ronald Read, who lived a life so simple and modest that it seemed like a chapter from a different era. Yet within the quiet folds of his existence, Ronald's journey unfolded as a captivating tale of financial prowess, demonstrating that the art of investing can transform even the most ordinary lives into extraordinary legends. So, let's delve into the world where wealth is built, not through chance but through the deliberate choices made by individuals like Ronald Read, who turned their meager savings into fortunes that left the world astonished. This is the story of how the alchemy of investing turned a janitor into a philanthropist and a legend in the realm of finance.
Infinite dreams, the sky's the limit. Unlocking secrets, we're winning. Together we'll grow, always searching for more. Infinite learning, forever we'll soar.
Ronald Read was born in rural Vermont. He was the first person in his family to graduate high school, made all the more impressive by the fact that he hitchhiked to campus each day. For those who knew Ronald Read, there wasn't much else worth mentioning. His life was about as low-key as they come. Read fixed cars at a gas station for 25 years and swept floors at JCPenney for 17 years. He bought a 2-bedroom house for $12,000 at age 38 and lived there for the rest of his life. He was widowed at age 50 and never remarried. A friend recalled that his main hobby was chopping firewood. Read died in 2014, age 92, which is when the humble rural janitor made international headlines. 2,813,503 Americans died in 2014. Fewer than 4,000 of them had a net worth of over $8 million when they passed away. Ronald Read was one of them. In his will, the former janitor left $2 million to his stepkids and more than $6 million to his local hospital and library. Those who knew Read were baffled. Where did he get all that money? It turned out there was no secret. There was no lottery win and no inheritance. Read saved what little he could and invested it in blue-chip stocks. Then he waited, for decades on end, as tiny savings compounded into more than $8 million. That's it. From janitor to philanthropist. Ronald Read's story is a beacon of hope and inspiration for all those who dream of achieving financial security and making a difference in the world. It reminds us that anyone, from the humblest of beginnings, can turn their modest savings into a fortune and leave a lasting impact on their community. As we bid farewell to Ronald Read, the janitor turned philanthropist, let his journey be a reminder that the alchemy of investing can transform ordinary lives into extraordinary legends, and that the true power of wealth lies not only in its accumulation but in its ability to make the world a better place.